Try to do one at a time. One at a time. Surya, come a little bit back. You are going behind. Come on, come in front. Come in front. Come on, Surya. Come in front. No. Come on, try to do one at a time. One at a time. See how he's doing, Nivin. Try to do the same thing. Come on. Try same thing. Do one at a time. One at a time. Everyone, one by one shoot. Try one at a time. Huh? Yeah. Come on, hey, what are you doing? Nivin, try to do with that only. Come on. Do one at a time. One at a time. Come on, faster. Come on, faster. Come on, shoot. One at a time. Come on, one at a time. Come on, faster, mate. What are you stopping? Come on, one at a time. Faster. Show interest. Come on, faster. Come on. Yeah, shoot. Hey, Kiti, you come try to dribble. Western dribble come in here and Western dribble come in here. Come on, faster. Come on, let's go back. Yeah, try to do like that one more. Yeah, 400 more. Come faster. In 8 minutes you have to do 800. That's all. Yeah, come on. Push. Come on, faster, Surya. Huh? See, you're skipping on the pipe. Go a little back, huh? I told 300 to you. 200 more. Come on. Come on. Show interest. Then only you will learn. Come on, Surya. Come on, properly. See, you're not jumping. You're doing like... That's not doing. Show interest in sports. Then only you will learn. Surya. Come on, faster. Huh? How many? 10 shots. I'll do 50. Come on, faster. Come on, continue, sir. Show interest. Then only you will learn. See, ask Surya also. Surya, when you joined first day, how long? It's been a month now, joining, right? How many times? It took 1-2 weeks to learn, no skipping. So he showed, even he didn't know how to skip. So one at a time he used to do, but properly. So you also do, you learn.
I don't want to do dribbling.
See, the thing is, everyone wants to be. The thing is, now, if I don't know to dribble, how will I play basketball? I'm telling you, if I give the ball like this, put play. You can't run and play, no, that. That's a foul. You have to learn dribbling, basics. Right? Without writing ABCD, do you write EFG? You write. No, right? ABCD, you write. Right? Everything is a basic, it will take time. So whenever you are shooting, it will take time. How long Nivin, you know how to do it? How long have you been doing basketball? For 2.5 years. 2.5 years. And how long you will learn? 1 month? That's the number. Right? How will you learn? So you will learn. If after 2 months you won't learn, then you tell me, okay, sir, you didn't teach me anything. But give time. Everything has time. Come on. Come on, leave. Come on, continue. Do that. See, everyone is doing. Now see. Huh? No, you can't sit. It's not a game. Okay, how come it's so fast? I'll see. I'll check once. If it's not 300 then, you tell me. Huh? 10 more and then you'll be 300. Just now 2 minutes back you were on how much? 100. You told 100 I'll do more. Right? I told 200 more. So you're done now 300. So fast, I'll check it once. If it's not 300 then? Come on. How many? Yeah. Come on, faster. Come on, faster. How many do you?
So next class we are doing my own skipping. My father's already.
Come on, faster. We have 1 minute. Come on, complete 800. Faster. How much minute? Come on, faster. In 1 minute you have to complete 800. Come on. Faster.
Can I drink water?
Yeah. Hey, water bag. Come on, faster. Come on, faster.